Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Wake up. Wake up. Meaning awaken. Example: when do you usually wake up? I awaken early. Call back. Call back. Meaning return a phone call. Example: will you call me back? Yes, I will return your call. Break down. Break down. Meaning stop working. Example: did your car break down? Yes, it stopped working. Look into. Look into. Meaning investigate. Example: did you look into the matter? Yes, I investigated. Take off. Take off. Meaning leave the ground and fly. Example: did the plane take off on time? Yes, it departed from the airport on time. Find out. Find out. Meaning discover. Example: did you find out more about the topic? Yes, I discovered new information. Turn up. Turn up. Meaning increase in volume. Example: can you turn up the music? Yes, I will increase the volume. Point out. Point out. Meaning indicate. Example: can you point out the mistakes? Yes, I can indicate them. Let down. Let down. Meaning disappoint. Example: did you let your team down? No, I didn't disappoint them. Show up. Show up. Meaning appear. Example: did he show up at the party? No, he didn't appear. Carry out. Carry out. Meaning execute. Example: are they going to carry out the plan? Yes, they will execute it. Take in. Take in. Meaning understand. Example: can you take in what I just say? Yes, I understand. Get along. Get along. Meaning have a good relationship. Example: I have a good relationship. Thanks for watching and like this video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.